Halo semuanya. Video kali ini berisi percakapan-percakapan dalam berbagai situasi yang berbeda. Latihlah dengan rutin kalimat-kalimatnya, maka bahasa Inggris Anda akan mengalami kemajuan yang pesat. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
Apa yang kamu suka lakukan di waktu luangmu?
I enjoy reading and watching movies. I enjoy reading and watching movies.
Saya suka membaca dan menonton film.
I love to cook and try new recipes. I love to cook and try new recipes.
Saya suka memasak dan mencoba resep baru.
That sounds fun. I'm terrible at cooking. That sounds fun. I'm terrible at cooking.
Itu terdengar menyenangkan. Saya buruk dalam memasak.
Have you ever tried painting or drawing? Have you ever tried painting or drawing?
Pernahkah kamu mencoba melukis atau menggambar?
I've tried, but I'm not very good. I've tried, but I'm not very good.
Saya sudah mencoba, tetapi saya tidak terlalu mahir.
Maybe we could take an art class together. Maybe we could take an art class together.
Mungkin kita bisa mengikuti kelas seni bersama.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Itu ide yang bagus.
What kind of music do you listen to? What kind of music do you listen to?
Jenis musik apa yang kamu suka dengarkan?
I like a variety of genres. I like a variety of genres.
Saya suka berbagai genre musik.
Are you ready for the presentation? Are you ready for the presentation?
Apakah kamu siap untuk presentasi?
I am not ready. I am not ready.
Saya belum siap.
Do you need more time to prepare? Do you need more time to prepare?
Apakah kamu membutuhkan lebih banyak waktu untuk mempersiapkan?
Yes, I need at least another day. Yes, I need at least another day.
Ya, saya membutuhkan setidaknya 1 hari lagi.
Can we reschedule the presentation date? Can we reschedule the presentation date?
Bisakah kita menjadwalkan ulang tanggal presentasi?
I'll talk to the manager about it. I'll talk to the manager about it.
Saya akan berbicara dengan manajer tentang itu.
What part are you struggling with? What part are you struggling with?
Bagian mana yang kamu kesulitan?
I'm having trouble organizing my points. I'm having trouble organizing my points.
Saya kesulitan mengorganisir poin-poin saya.
Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that.
Biarkan saya membantumu dengan itu.
Thank you, I would appreciate it. Thank you, I would appreciate it.
Terima kasih, saya akan sangat menghargainya.
Do you have time to talk now? Do you have time to talk now?
Apakah kamu ada waktu untuk berbicara sekarang?
Please call me later. Please call me later.
Tolong telepon saya nanti.
When is a good time for you? When is a good time for you?
Kapan waktu yang baik untukmu?
How about in the evening? How about in the evening?
Bagaimana dengan malam hari?
Sure, I can call around 7. Sure, I can call around 7.
Tentu, saya bisa menelepon sekitar pukul 7.
That works perfectly for me, thanks. That works perfectly for me, thanks.
Itu cocok sekali untuk saya, terima kasih.
Okay, I'll make sure to call then. Okay, I'll make sure to call then.
Oke, saya akan pastikan untuk menelepon saat itu.
Is there something important to discuss? Is there something important to discuss?
Apakah ada sesuatu yang penting untuk dibahas?
Yes, I need to talk about our project. Yes, I need to talk about our project.
Ya, saya perlu berbicara tentang proyek kita.
Great, I appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Great, I appreciate it. Talk to you soon.
Bagus, saya menghargainya. Sampai jumpa segera.
Where do you usually buy electronics? Where do you usually buy electronics?
Di mana kamu biasanya membeli elektronik?
I usually buy my electronics at Gadget Corner. I usually buy my electronics at Gadget Corner.
Saya biasanya membeli elektronik saya di Gadget Corner.
Do they sell laptops at that store? Do they sell laptops at that store?
Apakah mereka menjual laptop di toko itu?
Yes, they have a great selection. Yes, they have a great selection.
Ya, mereka memiliki pilihan yang bagus.
Are the prices reasonable or expensive? Are the prices reasonable or expensive?
Apakah harganya wajar atau mahal?
They offer competitive prices, I think. They offer competitive prices, I think.
Mereka menawarkan harga yang bersaing menurut saya.
Do they also provide any warranties? Do they also provide any warranties?
Apakah mereka juga memberikan garansi?
Yes, all laptops come with warranties. Yes, all laptops come with warranties.
Ya, semua laptop dilengkapi dengan garansi.
That's good to know. I need one soon. That's good to know. I need one soon.
Itu bagus untuk diketahui, saya butuh satu segera.
Let's visit the store this weekend. Let's visit the store this weekend.
Ayo kunjungi toko itu akhir pekan ini.
Great idea. I'll join you then. Great idea. I'll join you then.
Ide yang bagus, saya akan bergabung denganmu.
Good, I can't to visit that store. Good, I can't to visit that store.
Bagus, saya tidak sabar untuk mengunjungi toko itu.
What are you doing this evening? What are you doing this evening?
Apa yang kamu lakukan malam ini?
We are playing games. We are playing games.
Kami sedang bermain permainan.
That sounds like a lot of fun. That sounds like a lot of fun.
Itu terdengar sangat menyenangkan.
Yes, it's a great way to relax. Yes, it's a great way to relax.
Ya, itu cara yang bagus untuk bersantai.
What kind of games are you playing? What kind of games are you playing?
Permainan apa yang kalian mainkan?
We are playing board games and cards. We are playing board games and cards.
Kami sedang bermain permainan papan dan kartu.
Can I join you guys sometime? Can I join you guys sometime?
Bisakah saya bergabung dengan kalian lain waktu?
Of course, we play every Friday night. Of course, we play every Friday night.
Tentu, kami bermain setiap Jumat malam.
Great, I'll join next time then. Great, I'll join next time then.
Bagus, saya akan bergabung lain kali.
Awesome, we would love to have you. Awesome, we would love to have you.
Bagus, kami akan sangat senang jika Anda bergabung.
Have you tried cooking anything new lately? Have you tried cooking anything new lately?
Apakah kamu mencoba memasak sesuatu yang baru belakangan ini?
I recently learned how to cook a new dish from a different cuisine. I recently learned how to cook a new dish from a different cuisine.
Saya baru saja belajar memasak hidangan baru dari masakan yang berbeda.
What dish did you learn to cook? What dish did you learn to cook?
Hidangan apa yang kamu pelajari untuk dimasak?
I learned to make Thai green curry. I learned to make Thai green curry.
Saya belajar membuat kari hijau Thailand.
Was it difficult to prepare? Was it difficult to prepare?
Apakah itu sulit untuk disiapkan?
It was a bit challenging, but fun. It was a bit challenging, but fun.
Itu agak menantang, tetapi menyenangkan.
Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking?
Apakah kamu menikmati memasak?
Yes, I find it relaxing and rewarding. Yes, I find it relaxing and rewarding.
Ya, saya merasa itu menenangkan dan memuaskan.
Will you cook it again soon? Will you cook it again soon?
Apakah kamu akan memasaknya lagi dalam waktu dekat?
Yes, I want to invite friends over to try it. Yes, I want to invite friends over to try it.
Ya, saya ingin mengundang teman-teman untuk mencobanya.
What snacks do you usually like? What snacks do you usually like?
Camilan apa yang biasanya kamu suka?
I enjoy eating crispy chips. I enjoy eating crispy chips.
Saya suka makan keripik yang renyah.
Do you prefer salty or sweet snacks? Do you prefer salty or sweet snacks?
Apakah kamu lebih suka camilan asin atau manis?
I usually prefer salty snacks. I usually prefer salty snacks.
Saya biasanya lebih suka camilan asin.
How often do you eat them? How often do you eat them?
Seberapa sering kamu memakannya?
I eat chips almost every day. I eat chips almost every day.
Saya makan keripik hampir setiap hari.
Have you tried making homemade chips? Have you tried making homemade chips?
Apakah kamu pernah membuat keripik sendiri?
No, but I want to try soon. No, but I want to try soon.
Tidak, tapi saya ingin mencoba segera.
Can you come here a moment? Can you come here a moment?
Bisakah kamu datang sebentar?
Sure, I'll be there right away. Sure, I'll be there right away.
Tentu saya akan ke sana sekarang.
Please open the door for me. Please open the door for me.
Tolong buka pintunya untuk saya.
Okay, I'll get it for you. Okay, I'll get it for you.
Baik, saya akan membukanya untukmu.
Thanks, I couldn't reach it. Thanks, I couldn't reach it.
Terima kasih, saya tidak bisa mencapainya.
No problem, happy to help anytime. No problem, happy to help anytime.
Tidak masalah, senang membantu kapan saja.
Did you need anything else now? Did you need anything else now?
Apakah kamu butuh yang lainnya?
No, that's all for now, thanks. No, that's all for now, thanks.
Tidak, itu saja untuk sekarang. Terima kasih.
All right, just let me know later. All right, just let me know later.
Baik, beritahu saya nanti saja.
I will, thanks for helping again. I will, thanks for helping again.
Akan saya lakukan, terima kasih lagi.
Do you enjoy cooking at home? Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Apakah kamu suka memasak di rumah?
Yes, I love cooking, and my favorite dish to make is pasta. Yes, I love cooking, and my favorite dish to make is pasta.
Ya, saya suka memasak, dan hidangan favorit saya adalah pasta.
What type of pasta do you make? What type of pasta do you make?
Jenis pasta apa yang kamu buat?
I usually make spaghetti or penne. I usually make spaghetti or penne.
Saya biasanya membuat spaghetti atau penne.
Do you have a secret recipe? Do you have a secret recipe?
Apakah kamu punya resep rahasia?
Yes, I have a special tomato sauce recipe. Yes, I have a special tomato sauce recipe.
Ya, saya punya resep saus tomat yang spesial.
How often do you cook? How often do you cook?
Seberapa sering kamu memasak?
I cook several times a week. I cook several times a week.
Saya memasak beberapa kali dalam seminggu.
Do you enjoy cooking for others? Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Apakah kamu suka memasak untuk orang lain?
Yes, it's fun to share my food. Yes, it's fun to share my food.
Ya, Menyenangkan untuk berbagi makanan saya.
Can you finish this task quickly today? Can you finish this task quickly today?
Bisakah kamu menyelesaikan tugas ini dengan cepat hari ini?
Yes, I'll try to do it fast. Yes, I'll try to do it fast.
Ya, saya akan mencoba melakukannya dengan cepat.
How do you usually work so quickly? How do you usually work so quickly?
Bagaimana caramu biasanya bekerja begitu cepat?
I focus and avoid distractions while working. I focus and avoid distractions while working.
Saya fokus dan menghindari gangguan saat bekerja.
Do you think speed affects the quality? Do you think speed affects the quality?
Apakah menurutmu kecepatan memengaruhi kualitas?
Sometimes, but careful work is still important. Sometimes, but careful work is still important.
Kadang-kadang, tetapi pekerjaan hati-hati tetap penting.
Have you seen someone solve problems quickly? Have you seen someone solve problems quickly?
Pernahkah kamu melihat seseorang menyelesaikan masalah dengan cepat?
Yes, my friend always finds solutions fast. Yes, my friend always finds solutions fast.
Ya, teman saya selalu menemukan solusi dengan cepat.
What's the fastest thing you can do? What's the fastest thing you can do?
Apa hal tercepat yang bisa kamu lakukan?
I can type quickly when I'm focused. I can type quickly when I'm focused.
Saya bisa mengetik cepat saat saya fokus.
What's your take on the cryptocurrency market? What's your take on the cryptocurrency market?
Apa pendapat Anda tentang pasar cryptocurrency?
It's highly speculative, but it's also innovative. It's highly speculative, but it's also innovative.
Ini sangat spekulatif, tapi juga inovatif.
Do you own any cryptocurrencies? Do you own any cryptocurrencies?
Apakah Anda memiliki cryptocurrency?
I've invested a small amount for diversification. I've invested a small amount for diversification.
Saya telah berinvestasi dalam jumlah kecil untuk diversifikasi.
How do you feel about the regulatory environment for crypto? How do you feel about the regulatory environment for crypto?
Bagaimana pendapat Anda tentang lingkungan regulasi untuk kripto?
It needs to be clearer for investors to feel secure. It needs to be clearer for investors to feel secure.
Ini perlu lebih jelas agar investor merasa aman.
What do you think about the potential of blockchain technology? What do you think about the potential of blockchain technology?
Apa pendapat Anda tentang potensi teknologi blockchain?
It has immense potential beyond cryptocurrencies. It has immense potential beyond cryptocurrencies.
Ini memiliki potensi besar di luar cryptocurrency.
Are you concerned about the energy consumption of mining crypto? Are you concerned about the energy consumption of mining crypto?
Apakah Anda khawatir tentang konsumsi energi dari penambangan kripto?
It's a significant issue that needs to be addressed. It's a significant issue that needs to be addressed.
Ini adalah masalah signifikan yang perlu ditangani.
Is this your first trip abroad? Is this your first trip abroad?
Apakah ini perjalanan pertama Anda ke luar negeri?
Yes, it is my first trip abroad. Yes, it is my first trip abroad.
Ya, ini adalah perjalanan pertama saya ke luar negeri.
Are you excited about the journey? Are you excited about the journey?
Apakah Anda bersemangat tentang perjalanan ini?
Yes, I'm very excited to travel. Yes, I'm very excited to travel.
Ya, saya sangat bersemangat untuk bepergian.
Which country are you visiting first? Which country are you visiting first?
Negara mana yang akan Anda kunjungi pertama kali?
I'm visiting Japan for the first time. I'm visiting Japan for the first time.
Saya akan mengunjungi Jepang untuk pertama kalinya.
Do you have any specific plans there? Do you have any specific plans there?
Apakah Anda memiliki rencana khusus di sana?
Yes, I want to explore Tokyo and Kyoto. Yes, I want to explore Tokyo and Kyoto.
Ya, saya ingin menjelajahi Tokyo dan Kyoto.
Have you packed everything you need? Have you packed everything you need?
Apakah Anda sudah mengemas semua yang Anda butuhkan?
Yes, I am ready for the adventure. Yes, I am ready for the adventure.
Ya, saya siap untuk petualangan ini.
Why did you move here? Why did you move here?
Mengapa kamu pindah ke sini?
I moved here for a new job opportunity. I moved here for a new job opportunity.
Saya pindah ke sini untuk peluang kerja baru.
What is your new job? What is your new job?
Apa pekerjaan barumu?
I work as a marketing assistant. I work as a marketing assistant.
Saya bekerja sebagai asisten pemasaran.
Do you like your job so far? Do you like your job so far?
Apakah kamu suka pekerjaanmu sejauh ini?
Yes, I enjoy the work in team. Yes, I enjoy the work in team.
Iya, saya menikmati pekerjaan dan timnya.
How do you like the city? How do you like the city?
Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang kota ini?
I like it. There are many activities. I like it. There are many activities.
Saya suka. Ada banyak aktivitas di sini.
Have you made new friends? Have you made new friends?
Apakah kamu sudah punya teman baru?
Yes, I met some friendly colleagues. Yes, I met some friendly colleagues.
Ya, saya bertemu beberapa rekan kerja yang ramah.
What does your brother do? What does your brother do?
Apa pekerjaan kakakmu?
He is a civil engineer. He is a civil engineer.
Dia adalah seorang insinyur sipil.
What does a civil engineer do? What does a civil engineer do?
Apa yang dilakukan seorang insinyur sipil?
He designs and builds roads. He designs and builds roads.
Dia merancang dan membangun jalan.
Does he like his job? Does he like his job?
Apakah dia suka pekerjaannya?
Yes, he really enjoys it. Yes, he really enjoys it.
Ya, dia sangat menikmatinya.
How long has he been working? How long has he been working?
Sudah berapa lama dia bekerja?
He has been working for 5 years. He has been working for 5 years.
Dia sudah bekerja selama 5 tahun.
Where does he work? Where does he work?
Di mana dia bekerja?
He works for a big construction company. He works for a big construction company.
Dia bekerja di sebuah perusahaan konstruksi besar.
I have a lot to do today. I have a lot to do today.
Saya punya banyak hal yang harus dilakukan hari ini.
Please do it right now, before you forget. Please do it right now, before you forget.
Lakukanlah sekarang, sebelum kamu lupa.
I'll start with this task. I'll start with this task.
Saya akan mulai dengan tugas ini.
That sounds like a good plan. That sounds like a good plan.
Itu terdengar seperti rencana yang bagus.
I need to focus and finish it. I need to focus and finish it.
Saya perlu fokus dan menyelesaikannya.
I can help if you need assistance. I can help if you need assistance.
Saya bisa membantu jika kamu butuh bantuan.
Thanks, I might ask you later. Thanks, I might ask you later.
Terima kasih, saya mungkin akan bertanya padamu nanti.
No problem. I'm here for you. No problem. I'm here for you.
Tidak masalah, saya di sini untukmu.
Once I finish, let's celebrate. Once I finish, let's celebrate.
Setelah saya selesai, mari kita merayakan.
Great idea. I look forward to it. Great idea. I look forward to it.
Ide yang bagus, saya menantikannya.
I am surprised to see you here. I am surprised to see you here.
Saya terkejut melihatmu di sini.
Me too, what a surprise. Me too, what a surprise.
Saya juga benar-benar kejutan.
I didn't expect to see you today. I didn't expect to see you today.
Saya tidak mengira akan bertemu denganmu hari ini.
Neither did I. This is unexpected. Neither did I. This is unexpected.
Saya juga tidak. Ini tidak terduga.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Apa yang kamu lakukan di sini?
I'm waiting for a friend. How about you? I'm waiting for a friend. How about you?
Saya sedang menunggu seorang teman. Bagaimana denganmu?
I'm meeting someone for coffee. I'm meeting someone for coffee.
Saya sedang bertemu seseorang untuk minum kopi.
Small world, isn't it? Small world, isn't it?
Dunia ini kecil, bukan?
It really is. This is crazy. It really is. This is crazy.
Memang begitu. Ini gila.
Let's chat for a bit. Let's chat for a bit.
Mari kita ngobrol sebentar.
What were you doing last weekend? What were you doing last weekend?
Apa yang kamu lakukan akhir pekan lalu?
I was sick in bed last weekend. I was sick in bed last weekend.
Saya sakit di tempat tidur akhir pekan lalu.
Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now?
Apakah kamu merasa lebih baik sekarang?
Yes, I am much better now. Yes, I am much better now.
Ya, saya sudah jauh lebih baik sekarang.
What was wrong with you? What was wrong with you?
Apa yang salah denganmu?
I had a bad cold and fever. I had a bad cold and fever.
Saya mengalami flu parah dan demam.
Did you see a doctor? Did you see a doctor?
Apakah kamu pergi ke dokter?
Yes, I visited the doctor on Saturday. Yes, I visited the doctor on Saturday.
Ya, saya pergi ke dokter pada hari Sabtu.
Are you back to your usual routine? Are you back to your usual routine?
Apakah kamu sudah kembali ke rutinitasmu seperti biasa?
Yes, I am back to work and feeling fine. Yes, I am back to work and feeling fine.
Ya, saya sudah kembali bekerja dan merasa baik.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
Pukul berapa biasanya kamu bangun tidur?
I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning.
Saya bangun pagi-pagi sekali.
How early do you wake up? How early do you wake up?
Seberapa pagi kamu bangun tidur?
I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Saya bangun pukul 6 pagi.
What do you do after waking up? What do you do after waking up?
Apa yang kamu lakukan setelah bangun tidur?
I usually go for a morning jog. I usually go for a morning jog.
Saya biasanya jogging di pagi hari.
Does it help you feel energized? Does it help you feel energized?
Apakah itu membantu kamu merasa berenergi?
Yes, it keeps me active and refreshed. Yes, it keeps me active and refreshed.
Ya, itu membuat saya tetap aktif dan segar.
Do you have breakfast after jogging? Do you have breakfast after jogging?
Apakah kamu sarapan setelah jogging?
Yes, a healthy breakfast is important. Yes, a healthy breakfast is important.
Ya, sarapan sehat itu penting.
Are you coming tonight? Are you coming tonight?
Apakah kamu akan datang malam ini?
Yes, I'm really excited. Yes, I'm really excited.
Ya, saya sangat bersemangat.
What time should I arrive? What time should I arrive?
Jam berapa saya harus datang?
You can come around 7 p.m. You can come around 7 p.m.
Kamu bisa datang sekitar jam 7 malam.
Do you need a ride? Do you need a ride?
Apakah kamu butuh tumpangan?
No, I'll drive myself. No, I'll drive myself.
Tidak, saya akan menyetir sendiri.
I hope the weather is nice. I hope the weather is nice.
Saya harap cuacanya bagus.
Me too. It should be perfect. Me too. It should be perfect.
Saya juga, seharusnya sempurna.
I can't wait to see everyone. I can't wait to see everyone.
Saya tidak sabar untuk melihat semua orang.
It will be a fun night. It will be a fun night.
Ini pasti malam yang menyenangkan.
Did you understand the project requirements? Did you understand the project requirements?
Apakah kamu memahami persyaratan proyek?
I need more information. I need more information.
Saya membutuhkan informasi lebih lanjut.
What specific details are you missing? What specific details are you missing?
Detail spesifik apa yang kamu butuhkan?
I need clarification on the deadline. I need clarification on the deadline.
Saya membutuhkan klarifikasi mengenai tenggat waktu.
The deadline is set for next Friday. The deadline is set for next Friday.
Tenggat waktunya ditetapkan untuk hari Jumat depan.
Thank you, that helps a lot. Thank you, that helps a lot.
Terima kasih, itu sangat membantu.
Do you have any other questions? Do you have any other questions?
Apakah kamu memiliki pertanyaan lain?
Yes, I need details on the budget. Yes, I need details on the budget.
Ya, saya membutuhkan rincian anggaran.
I will email you the budget sheet. I will email you the budget sheet.
Saya akan mengirimkan lembar anggaran melalui email.
Great, that will be very helpful. Great, that will be very helpful.
Bagus, itu akan sangat membantu.